What's up YouTube, welcome back on this powerful course where we are teaching inspiring new vloggers to get their videos look perfect. So guys, we are helping you to get your videos to look perfect, and if it is your first time in this episode, in this course, please watch the first episode so that you can understand how we got in this position. So the first thing, on the second episode, I did show you guys how to speed up your video. I did show you how to speed up your video, and I will be like just doing a little bit of touch-ups on how to speed up your video. I don't have to do everything. If you didn't watch like the second episode, please do go and watch it. There's a link to the second episode on the description. There's a playlist, and go straight to the second video on the playlist. Then that's a video like where I did mention on how to make a video, how to speed up your video, and how to do a slow motion on your video. So let's do that again, and I will be moving a little bit fast because this is something that I have did already. So let's say I want to speed towards the end. I want to speed up, like I want that, like toward the end, my video to move fast. So I gotta just click L. Then this is the part that I want my video to speed. Then you click option, you right click, then you go to change the speed. Then I want it to speed. Then I put 200. 200 simply means like you are speeding it twice. So this video will be moving very fast. So towards the end, around this area, you click L. So I usually make sure like the part that I do a slow-mo on is very short. Then you click option again, first select, then you click option, then you click there. Then I want it to be slow. I want to put it that large amount of a slow-mo video, so this video will be slow. So guys, that's how you do your slow motion. That's how you do your slow-mo videos, and that's how you speed up your videos. So if you guys didn't watch like the second episode, please go and watch it so that you can see. But what I just did is exactly what I said on the second episode. This is how you speed your videos. This is how you do like a slow-mo thing on your videos. So yeah, I think that's all guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you love me to do anything, please do let me know on the comment section. That's exactly like I will do what you're telling me to do, and I will see you on the next video. And definitely we still have a lot of videos on the way. So till next time.